Alright guys, Tough Trucker here, doing a quick tutorial on how to forward your ports on your speedrun. Tired to get kicked off and while you're racing and all that type of crazy stuff. So here's your ports that you'll need to take down, TCP and UDP. Definitely want to get those down. We're going to need those here in a moment. And, we're going to go in here. Most routers are 192.168.1.1. Some are .2.1, some are .0.1. You should be able to find that information if you go here. You might want to take this down too. You right click on network, go to properties, view status, then wireless properties, details, and you want to click on IPv4 address. You're not going to need that, but the subnet mask you will need, default gateway and server. You'll need those three pieces of information later. Take those down. And so you go in here, log the router. I have a Linksys router, Cisco. You want to click on the applications in game, and you want to enter in that information accurately. Here, just give it a random name. I just did Need for Speed to Run, a little abbreviation, and enter in everything that's on this list over here. And you want to make sure you list it as either both. As you can see, 53 is both TCP and UDP, and then the rest accordingly. And then make up you an IP address between 101 and 150 for most networks. Now you can make one, whatever number you really want between those numbers. I chose 115, and make sure you click enable on everything that you type into. Then hit save. And once you're done there, next you want to take and go to your connection settings again. And then you want to go to manage network connection, and whatever network adapter that you're using on your PC, click and go to properties, and then you want to come down to the IPv version 4 and double click there, and you want to come and use the following IP address, whichever one that you use up here in your IP address box. Take and type that one in here, and then you want to type in your subnet mask that you recorded, then your default gateway, and your DNS server. The only thing that you're really changing here is just the IP address from your previous information, and you make sure you want to get this default gateway and DNS server information right as well. You don't need to alternate, and then you just click OK. It may pop up telling you this, but you just want to click it and then click OK, and exit out of this screen, and everything should come back up connection wise, and you'll be back on the internet. And that's mainly what you need to do, and you should be able to game thoroughly without getting kicked off and disconnected from EA servers constantly. It's worked for me so far. Hope it works for you guys. Give me a thumbs up or whatever here on the YouTube video. Alright, see ya.